So let's add a floral overlay to this beautiful shot by Anna Brandt. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can drag and drop the overlay. If you want to know all the methods of using these and getting them in, you can watch video tutorial number 1. So I'm just locating the white neutral overlays on my computer and bringing them up. Which one should we go for this image? Just having a little scroll through and having a look. You see there's lots of different scenes. There's toppers, there's sides, and there's individual branches included. How about we go for the, let's go for the cream blossoms. So I'm just going to drag and drop these where I want them to show. And they look really beautiful, they really complement the image. Gorgeous. I'm going to drag some more in. Just add these on the side a little. We could go for one more, couldn't we? This one here I'm going to add more as a foreground overlay. So I'm going to choose the blur paint and slide this up so it looks like it's really in front. I also want to cool this down, maybe just a tiny touch. I'm going to hit the tone cooler on this one, but I'm going to bring the opacity right down. And let's add one last one. I've added all 4 of the cream blossoms here, all slightly different. Toning and different styles, so you can add them to multiple images. And I'm just going to blur this one using the blur paint. Really pretty. This one here I still think that's a little bit bright, so I'm going to hit the warmer on this as well as the cooler, and the mix together is going to give us a little bit more of a blend. So before and after. And if you're not happy, you can literally just click the eye icon. You can move these around. If you have one here, you can move it. On the actions, you can hit flip and you can put it to the other side. You can control Command J to duplicate. And we can even move, the same one round a couple of times and for 2 completely different looks. There's so much you can do with these. Let's add another one. How about we go for golden scene? I'm just going to resize this over the image. Beautiful. I think that one works really, really well for this image. So before and after there, absolutely gorgeous. And you can mix and match these in. You can still have your other ones. You could add as many florals as you want to your image. Really, really beautiful. And an absolutely gorgeous shot by Anna Brandt. And you can get these over on the LSP Actions website, lsp-actions.com. And you can also watch the other tutorials on the website too. So I hope you love them. Please do enjoy the other tutorials. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.